future of floods and droughts unless there is urgent action to tackle climate change. Here's our science editor, Tom Clark.
There is no doubt something is up with the weather. Cumbria is no stranger to snow, but cars completely buried isn't normal in the wintertime, let alone late March.
You got one lucky sheep, man.
And it's not just cars that are entombed. There's little in the way of weather that can shock a Welsh shepherd, but this one has never seen the likes. There's been no spring for this season's lambs, and many won't even live till Easter.
You know, you worked so hard to bring your stock up, and then a natural disaster like this could absolutely devastate a lot of farms.
And though it might seem ridiculous, this Arctic spell could be symptomatic of our changing climate, according to the outgoing chief scientist.
Everybody's sort of